This unit, the FS216, is designed specifically for the metalworking industry. We have here the suction hose. With the help of the suction hose, metal chips and coolant are extracted from the machine. The metal chips are separated from the coolant with the help of a sieve basket inside of this collection drum. And as the liquid slowly rises in the drum, there will be a swimmer who shuts off the suction power when the maximum filling level is reached. In order to return the liquid into a container of the client, we have here the return hose. We are now creating, with the help of the vacuum pump, a pressure above the coolant, and with the help of this pressure, or due to this pressure, to this overpressure, the coolant will be pressed into the hose and will be returned into the coolant container of the machine or into an oil drum. Well, dear friends of industrial vacuum technology, that was an overview of the FS216, a specialized industrial vacuum cleaner from Wieland Lufttechnik for metal, swarf and coolant.